Welcome back. Now we're going to have a look at making the circle. We've made the square and we'll go through the same process as we did for that. So this time it's going to be a circle. So I choose the tool I want to use to make the object. So I'm going to choose a circle here. I then draw a circle, remembering that at this point it is not a symbol, it is just an object or an image. Alright, I can move it like so, or if I double click on I can select the whole thing so they all move together. Once I've selected the whole thing, either by double clicking or by putting a box around it or a selection box using this tool, I can then right click on it, go convert to symbol. This time I'm going to call it circle and it's going to be a button. I go OK. I notice up here in my library bar, which you probably should still have open, if you've forgotten where your library is, it's under Window and Library. You can see all the objects that you've created for your game. Here we have the circle, so I just want another copy of that, but I want it over here. So I just click on the circle, drag it to here. I can right click on it, do the free transform, just like we did with the square. Make it smaller, put it up the top here. Now one of the things we did in the previous one with the squares, which we haven't done yet, is actually give each of these copies of, this is a copy and this is a copy of this one up here. Alright, so this is your symbol, these are copies. If I click on here and change the color, say I change the color to that, and I come back out, you notice that if I change the original, the other color change as well. Alright, so that's the beauty of having symbols and instances of a symbol. So let's go back to looking at this object. This does not have a name, and because it's small and it's a circle, I'm going to use SC. Now there's a term here I'm going to use called convention, and convention is being consistent with the terminology so that when you come to do coding later on or accessing the symbols and so on, you know what they are just by looking at them. So I call this one here a BS for big square, so I'm going to call this one BC for, you guessed it, big circle. So I'm going to put BC in there. Alright, so let's just check. So this is a circle, SC for small circle. Down here we have BC for big circle. Alright, so we'll leave that for now. And what I'm going to do now on the next tutorial is go on how to make the triangle. Well, I think you might know how to do it, so you may be able to skip that tutorial and go on to the next.